What $100 million buys you around the world. Have you ever imagined what products you can buy with $100 million? Or who will be insane enough to blow $100 million on just one thing? Whether you got this money from winning a lottery, an inheritance, or a successful business, whatever it is, I don't think anyone will be crazy enough to spend such amounts on just one thing. That's just the broke me talking, by the way. But if you're crazy or curious enough, here's what you can buy with $100 million. Before we start, make sure you like, share, and leave a comment below the video. Elk Mountain Lodge. This big and beautiful lodge, located 10 miles from downtown Aspen, Colorado, cost $100 million. It occupies a whopping 82.6 acres of land. The Elk Mountain Lodge has 3 guest cabins, named the American Lake Cabin, Crystal Cabin, and the Ashcroft Cabin. If you are someone who loves cabins, this is an excellent opportunity to own one, or 3 in this case. You will also enjoy a dining room that can accommodate up to 20 people. You can invite your family and friends over for dinner comfortably, without having to bother about space. This property also comes with a theater room, letting you organize movie nights as often as you want. What's more is it has 30 bathrooms, 28 bedrooms, a standard kitchen, and 2 big islands. Amazingly, this lodge is well furnished with all you need to have fun and enjoy life to the fullest. It's a good investment in my book. Number 2. Portrait de l'Artiste sans Barb. Portrait of the artist without beard. The Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh gifted this unique painting of himself after shaving his beard to his mother to celebrate her 70th birthday. The heirs of Jacques Coeffer, a German-born collector and the former chairman of the B&W, put up 10 of Vincent van Gogh's works for sale at an auction after Coeffer's death in 1991. This painting is worth $98.5 million. Vincent's portraits are so excellent. They were done with a mirror, so what appears to be the left side of his face was the right. It would be so lovely to grace the beautiful walls of your home with this large painting with an intense gaze, color, and texture. This painting depicts a soul who has gone through a terrible torture. And regardless of how sick he was, he created an artwork that could thrill the whole world. It is so motivating, is it not? You can purchase this beautiful painting to show off your wealth. And you could keep it for posterity's sake too. It's a great treasure you would love to own. La Penthouse, New York, USA. This is another elegant and luxurious house you can get for $100 million in New York City. We all know that New York City is a beautiful place most people would kill to have a house in, for investment and maybe leisure. The La Penthouse comes with so many features that will amaze you. It is a 5-story building with an adequately furnished gym, a doorman who is always available to you and your guest, and an on-site pet spa. There are 11 furnished bedrooms, 14 beautiful bathrooms, and every floor comes with open-air terraces. What's more is, it sits on 20,000 square feet of prime city real estate. Tell me, who wouldn't want to have a beautiful pool in his house? Most people would. There is a 67-foot saltwater pool and a hot tub that will give you a beautiful view of the great city of New York. Did I also tell you that you can move around the house with a private lift? There is also a room that is solely designed for playing games. If you love playing games, then this house would be a perfect choice for you. There is also a luxurious bar in the house, an extensive wine room, and a chandelier, all for you. Airbus A320 Neo. With $96.7 million, this great aircraft can be yours. Its new engine option, called Neo, combines 500 nautical miles to its total famous A320 series, can carry over 180 passengers at an average of 511 miles per hour at 36,000 feet. This aircraft can embark on the 2,704-mile flight from Boston to San Francisco, regardless of winter's strong headwinds. This aircraft is 15 to 20% more fuel efficient than the A320 CEO family. This shows you how unique this brand is. This is an aircraft you can use for commercial purposes. Your heirs can inherit it as well. It is a fantastic investment opportunity should you take advantage of it. City Townhouse, London, UK. This beautiful house, equipped with excellent features, is located close to Buckingham Palace, worth $99 million. You will enjoy a 24-hour security system, a beautiful spa, a 32-foot swimming pool, and a gym to help you stay fit in your house. There are 6 spacious bedrooms, well-designed bathrooms, and 16,000 square feet of interior space. Your staff can also enjoy their private space in this house. It has 5 reception rooms also. Plus, the professional interior decoration is another attractive feature in this house. Everywhere is designed with modern ornaments. Pumpkin Key, Florida, USA. This beautiful private island is available for $95 million and by helicopter. It is just 10 minutes away from Miami's South Beach. If you love fishing or enjoy viewing the water, you will love to purchase this house. This property has a lot of fishing and lobster-dotted holes around it. This is to ensure you enjoy a great fishing experience when you purchase it. The Pumpkin Key offers a beautiful views of sunsets and Card Sound Bay. It is something you will love. You will also have fun rocking the tennis courts, mega yacht, and golf cart paths. This island was built with its own electric and water supplies. It is a 3-bedroom apartment with 2 caretaker cottages and a dog master's apartment with a swimming pool indoors. All these features are just so amazing. All of these things listed are great investments, and if you have the money, you should definitely go ahead and buy them because these things will be worth so much money in years to come. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and one more thing, turn on post notifications so you can get notified on our new videos.